I'm coming this week to talk about our Mow schedules. Now, there's a lot of superintendents that don't know that you can schedule Mow patterns in the system. And this came about from the GIS show. There was some supers who would always have the same Mow pattern on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and they wanted us to create a schedule so they didn't have to go over here and click every time that they were doing a certain Mow pattern on Monday. And that's what this apply button is. So whenever that apply button was highlighted, you could go ahead and move that Mow pattern in automatically. You didn't have to go in and select it. When we rolled that out, we found out there's a lot of supers who don't have just a 1 week schedule, but they may have a 2 or 3 week schedule. So we kind of revamped the system so we can accommodate for those 2 week and 3 week rotations. So how we're going to set that up is we're going to go into Program Setup. We're going to go into our schedule. And you're going to see here I have 2 weeks set up, so 2 schedules. I'm in week 1, and I'm just going Monday through Sunday. I'm just going to look at the Mow patterns, and just for ease and so we can see this on the system, I've just set everything to 7 to 1 here on there. Change that to 7 to 1, and I'll go ahead and schedule that. I'll go into week 2. And here, just for the ease of it, everything's just 8 to 2. You'll set up your own schedules. You can set up your rotations. You can set up fairways, tees, approaches. So everything is 8 to 2 here as well. Once you have that, you have to determine which week you're currently on. So right now it's the 10th here, and we're currently mowing in week 1. And we can see this little green dot here. If we weren't, we could go ahead and click this little circle, and we can select that our current week is week 2, so it knows that then this week we'll be using this 8 to 2 pattern. If I wanted to add an extra week, that's easy to do as well. I just click on this plus button and I'll get week 3, and I can go through and I can schedule week 3, or if I want to take that out, I just go ahead and delete that. So right now we have week 1 and 2 in there. So let's go back to our workboard. Alright, we're currently on the 10th, and you can remember the current week is week 1, so if I hit apply, we should see a 7 to 1 come up here, and there we go. Now if I move to the next week, let's say Friday the 17th, and I've got that apply, I'm going to get the 8 to 2. So that's how you can schedule multiple weeks of Mow patterns. I hope this helps you. I hope it makes your job a little bit easier, and I hope everyone's having a good time out there and staying healthy.